Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Priyanka, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today is Friday, that means it's Happy Coloring Friday, and today we are going to color from this kit here. This is an art kit, and it's actually I bought this from Crayola's website, and it's Disney 90 Years of Magic, Mickey the True Original, and we're going to color from this kit, and I've already selected the painting that I want to color, and it's this one. I love the way this boat looks, and Minnie looks so happy. She's breathing in the fresh air and it feels like beach, and I'm really excited to color this. So let's get onto the table and start coloring. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention earlier that I'm going to color with my Crayola super tips right here, and I have a pack of 50, and that's what I'm going to use today to color this painting. And let's go ahead and get into the speed mode and start coloring. Alright guys, so let's begin coloring. The first color we're going to use is brown, and we're going to color the bottom of the boat brown. And here we are coloring the bottom of the boat brown. And then once we are done coloring the bottom half of the boat brown, we're going to take yellow and color the top half of the boat yellow. And then we will color the railing that Minnie is holding yellow too. And then we'll take our brown and color the rim of the boat brown. And then we're going to take the dark pink or bright pink and color Minnie's dress, and then we'll use the light pink and color the polka dots on her dress. We will use the same light pink to color her scarf and the middle section of her bow and the band of the bow. And then we'll take the darker pink and then color the bow itself. Once we're coloring the bow, we will be coloring the faces of Mickey and Minnie light peach. Once we are done coloring Mickey's face, we are going to take two greens, actually three green color, and color his cap and his pants and his shirt green in different shades. And then we will go ahead and color the tongue and the lips for Mickey and Minnie red, and then we will start coloring the motor for the boat gray, and we will color it into different shades of gray, darker and lighter gray. For some reason my camera did not record the coloring of the dark blue, but here I am dividing the page in half, not exactly in half, but I'm dividing the page so I can color some part blue for the water and then the rest for the sky. So I did not want to color the sky blue, so I took a colored pencil and drew myself a sun so I can change the color of the sky. And I then colored the sun yellow, and then I colored the rays for the sun orange and yellow, alternating between each color. And just to highlight the birds, I used the same color as the skin tone for Mickey and Minnie, just giving a highlight and not completely coloring the birds. And final touch for the painting, I am coloring the border for this painting light green because I thought that I used very little green for this painting except for Mickey's clothes. Guys, so I have completed my painting and I am so happy how this turned out. It just makes me feel like I need to go to the beach and take a ride in the boat, but it's winter time, so we'll paint some boats. But I really enjoyed coloring with my Crayola super tips, and you saw a couple of them were not working. I think they have been sitting in my art room for a very long time, so some of them might have dried up. I'll figure something out to make them work, or I definitely have some in this kit, the Mickey kit that I bought, so I'm not worried about it that much. But I'm really happy coloring this, and I hope you enjoyed watching me color this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. I am hoping for at least 50 likes on this video for Mickey and Minnie. Please let's get the likes up to 50 likes in this video, and I will be really jumping up and down if I get 50 likes. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button while you're at subscribing, just to stay in the loop of all the new videos I post. And also I will be posting videos every day, so you will get a content a lot faster than before, because it had been quite up and down, right? But I'm trying to post every day a video a day, so pray for me that I will be able to do that for a long run. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.